I wanna say Alhamdulillah, God give me everything. Alhamdulillah. I know you got this, they don't like this. Alhamdulillah. Tomorrow night I'm gonna smash your boy, guys. I'm gonna smash your boy. And I wanna say thank you, all Irish fans, you know, all fans around the world. Because of you guys, this fight is happening. Thank you guys, and tomorrow night inshallah, and still.
Thank you, sir.
Посмотрю я